Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Cider. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is the adult beverage collab for the month of September. I am going to be giving you guys two quick drinks to make at your home. One is hot and one is cold. So you'll never guess what I am going to be making. So just join in and watch the ingredients that I'll be needing, and then I will tell you guys once the drink is done what it is. So here we go. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and let my glass sit in the freezer for a little bit, just to kind of get that cold, crisp flavor like I want it to. So go ahead and get you a pan on the oven. This is gonna be our hot drink. So you're gonna put this pan on the oven. Go ahead and just get it heating up on medium. All right, so first you wanna get 1 cup of this apple juice, and we're gonna put it in here, along with some caramel, a cinnamon stick, and some nuts. We're also gonna add in 3 pieces of the cut apple. All right, so we'll be adding in just 1 of the cinnamon sticks, as you can see in here. This was actually on sale. Buy 2 of these and get 1 free, which was a really great deal. So you're just gonna put 1 of those sticks in. Next, I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of nutmeg. And then I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of caramel. Alright, so if you have made it this far in the video, I do want to say that this video is hosted by Wanda over from Miss Amechi, and I am the co-host, JustBeingC'Aira, but you can call me Ciara. So I did order something in the mail just for this collab. I have never ordered a frother before, never had one, never even worked one. So meanwhile, while the hot stuff is on the stove, I need to unbox my frothers, because I bought a 4-pack and I read reviews. It's supposed to be really great to just whip up something really small. So we're gonna make the whipped topping, the whipped cream for the top of this drink, and all you need is heavy whipping cream and caramel. All right, so here's a total of 4 frothers. It comes in green, pink, blue, and black. These are Cappuccino Maker, the cafe taste at home. This is just what it looks like, and it tells you how to whip these up using these 3 different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the pink one. And this is exactly what you're going to get. So here is our frother. And it looks like I'm gonna need to put some batteries in, so I need to put in 2 AA batteries. All right, so now that I put batteries in my frother, I'm just gonna show you guys that it actually works. So guys, you know, just push it up a little bit. If you want it to stay on, you can push it up, but if you want to just a little, just push it up. All right, so I am putting just a little bit of the heavy whipping cream into a container. And I'm also putting in some caramel. So you guys can see the consistency of doing a small job like this. All right, so now that it's off the stove, we want to just let it cool down a little bit, but meanwhile we will strain it into this container right here, so that the apples and the cinnamon stick does not get into our mixture. So we'll let that cool off for a few minutes. Okay, let's just take a minute to try the whipped cream before I put it on the drink at the end. It tastes like caramel, and it definitely tastes like whipped cream. What do you think?
Okay, it tastes good.
Okay, so as you can see, it has like a chill on it already, kind of. We've left it in here for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to put the caramel into it. So just drizzle like caramel in here, just simple and plain like this. Yeah, kind of works for me, kind of not. And then go ahead and add in some ice. All right, and we're just gonna put in a couple cubes of ice here. I think we can do like 4 or 5 cubes. All right, so we have drained the apple juice, the apple, the nutmeg, the cinnamon stick, and the caramel. And so what's gonna happen now after we've put the caramel around the cup and gave it some ice and let this mixture cool down, we're just gonna simply pour it in, just like that. Now we're gonna top with our whipped topping. All right, so here's our whipped topping. You just go ahead and add it in over on top, and then you are free to enjoy. Okay, so I know you're probably wondering what it is I made. I made a caramel apple cider, homemade, just did it in my pot all by myself. Like I said, it's very easy to make this, and it's really a great drink to enjoy. All right. Now we're on recipe number 2 because I wanted to bring you guys something hot and something cold for fall. Now, lots of you know Vlogtober is coming up. I will be participating. Comment down below if you are, so that I can come over and support your channel every single day for the month of October. And if you are not planning on participating but want to just give it a try, maybe do like some shorter videos. It doesn't have to be long, but definitely enjoy yourself. So I have a lot of great content coming to you guys for the month of October. So our next drink is a cold drink, and you literally only need 4 items. 4 items. Okay, so the 4 ingredients that we're gonna need is the 100% pure pumpkin. We're just gonna need a tad bit of this. We're gonna need some milk. We're gonna need pumpkin pie spice, and we need pumpkin spice coffee creamer. So yes, this is gonna be something seasonal, just because this is a seasonal edition that comes out in basically September through October, and obviously through November and probably December, just because people do make pumpkin pies. So let's go ahead and add the ingredients into our cup so that we can make the cold drink, and I'll tell you what it is at the end. If you can already guess, you'll see here. I am going to add in ice just because this is a cold drink. If you guys can now tell what I'm making, comment down below. If you're still here and watching, thank you for your support. All right, so I got the ice in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the milk. Next, let's add in some pumpkin pie spice. Alright, so I have opened it. I'm going to open it up. We just need literally a tad bit because we want to make sure that we're using the best. So we'll just add that in just like that. Next, we're going to add in that pumpkin spice coffee creamer. Let's just add a little bit because, of course, everything else is already going to be sweet enough. But like I said, you guys have no idea what I am making, and I can't wait for you guys to see. Okay, so we are going to be putting it on the blender. Okay, so it's all done. I'm going to open it up, pour it into this cup, and then you guys will see what it is. Finally, we have a milkshake. So you guys can easily top this off with your favorite whipped topping. It is a milkshake. It is a pumpkin spice milkshake. So I'm gonna give it a taste test because I'm not. Now, let me just tell y'all something. It tastes like a pumpkin pie. And I'm so ready for a pumpkin pie. I'm telling you, fall is my favorite. That is the reason why I made these 2 drinks for you all. So as a reminder, the first one was a caramel apple cider. That is the hot drink. This is the pumpkin pie spice milkshake. So it's really good. Like I said, they're both simple and easy and really great to make at home. If you need to alter the recipe, definitely do it. If you have more people or if you want to make something sweeter, definitely do it. But it was really great joining in on the September collab for the adult beverages, because once again, adult beverages does not mean it has to be alcoholic. It can easily be non-alcoholic. It can be a coffee, it can be a milk tea, it could be a milkshake, it could be a lemonade, it could be anything that you put your mind to that adults want to drink, and that's just that. So if you would like to join in on these collabs, we are hosting these until the end of December, and you have plenty of time to join in on our adult beverage collabs. Just DM me over on Instagram at Ciara_Davis94, or you can DM Miss Amechi over on her Instagram at Pretty Brown Eyes with a Z 2, the number 2. But anyways, thanks you guys for watching. Be sure to check out the playlist linked in my description box down below. And I hope that you guys enjoyed these 2 drinks, as I'm looking forward to fall, and I hope you are too.